Hello viewers, welcome to my channel and welcome again. And today we are diving into the world of very beautiful and amazing collection and crafting ideas for in this video. For everyone who wants to watch something new, something extra, something beautiful. And classy creativity is not just about fun, it's a unique entertainment and stress. Release your stress. So in this video I am going to show you this amazing craft. These amazing craft are amazing and beautiful. So what are you waiting for? Take SS and make something unique and different and beautiful for everyone who wants to watch something beautiful and extra. So what are you thinking? These means craft. You can do craft with many things like forming sheet, like action sticks, pop sticks, burlap, jute, flowers, and many more. Because creativity has no limits, and you can make something beautiful and extra for this festival season. So now let's talk about let's crafting is more than just fun, and we try to give you the amazing crafting ideas. Because did you know that crafting has so many wonderful benefits? When we sit down to create something with our hands, like these beautiful X-Max decorations, it's not just about making art, it's about making memories. Crafting helps us relax, reduce stress, and almost like meditation. The simple act of folding ribbons, gluing ornaments, or trying bows keeps our minds calm and focused. It's a great way to practice mindfulness and enjoy the present moment. It also boosts our creativity and problem solving skills. Each project allows us to experiment with colors, texture, and create something in designs. And the best part, there is no right or wrong, only your own unique style. Crafting is also a wonderful bonding activity. You can do it with your friends, family, or and turn it into a fun holiday tradition. These handmade pieces carry love and effort, making them more meaningful than store-bought decoration. And lastly, crafting teaches us the joy of recycling and sustainability. By reusing jute, burlap, or old ribbons, we create something new, beautiful, and eco-friendly for the season. So every craft you make is not just decoration, it's a little gift for your home, your heart, and the planet. Thank you for so much. Thank you so much for spending this crafting time with me. And you can get ideas from this video. May your holiday season be filled with love, peace, and handmade happiness. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful DIY ideas. Happy festival. Crafting isn't just about decoration, it's about creating calm moments, joyful memories, and mindful living. I hope these ideas bring you peace and happiness this Xmas. See you in the next video. Every little handmade decoration is also a step toward a greener holiday. Thank you for joining me in creating beautiful eco-friendly Xmas crafts. Wishing you a mindful and sustainable holiday season. Don't forget to subscribe for more eco-friendly DIY inspiration. Thank you for watching this. Stay creative, stay joyful, and keep crafting this Xmas. See you soon, Merry. Happy festival, Happy New Year. Xmas is the best when we create together, whether you are making crafts with family, friends, or kids. These decorations will fill your home with love and laughter. So, thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe for more festive fun. Stay blessed, have a very nice and beautiful journey, and we wants to give you the amazing task, amazing ideas, amazing creativity. This amazing creativity has beautiful boundaries because it has no boundaries. Your creativity has no limits and you can make whatever you want to make. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel and welcome again. And today we are diving into the world of very beautiful and amazing collection and crafting ideas for in this video. For everyone who